All right, here's an introduction to Physics 250, 100% online course. Let's go to Blackboard and alright, so this is the opening page, the home page. This has the lectures, the homework, and these things that I called online chapter challenges. What those are weekly tests, basically, that are on Blackboard. You read the different chapters that they cover, and you just take the test, and you can take the test as many times as you want before the due date. And let's see, just make sure you watch the videos beforehand, look at the chapters, and so forth. Down here, this of course is an introduction. These are my office hours. This is my name, T.J. Lipinski. There's my phone number. That's at Winthrop. I'm gonna be there from 1 to 1:50 on Mondays. You can always either FaceTime or Skype me. There's instructions. Let's see, where are they? Instructions are down. Yep, sorry, not that. Instructions are down here. Oops, not that either. Right here. Which I gotta erase some of this stuff. Sorry, some of that's holdover from last semester. All right, so I gotta change this. I'm just noticing this now. Sorry. All right, so let's go into the syllabus. We'll go into this folder in just a little bit. So the syllabus is over here. That is up to date because I just finished it. All right, so here's the office hours again. Best way to contact me, of course, is through email. All right, so let's open up the syllabus. Here it is. This might take a moment to open. One thing I should mention, before, oops, there it is. Before I get going on this, is one thing that's kind of strange is the number of points that when you look at your grade in Blackboard. This is for much later, but when you look at your grade in Blackboard, it'll just give you like a total number of points. Now that's not your grade, okay? Your grade is calculated according to the syllabus. I'll show you that. That's hold on. Oops, I should have. There we go. All right, so there's actually a way to calculate your grade that I have on here. It actually shows you, but it's from the syllabus as well. So right here, how to calculate your grade. We'll go into that a little bit later. All right, so let's see. What was I just on? We were looking at the syllabus, which should be right here. All right, so sorry. I guess I brought up the schedule. Alright, so let's go back to the syllabus, or try to bring... Well, I'll look at this for right now, sorry. So notice your homeworks are always due on Sundays. It's usually one homework a week. I think it's just one homework a week. The homeworks are turned in electronically through Blackboard. For example, here's your first homework due on the 27th of August. I always set these things due at a minute before midnight, so there's that. Notice the second week of classes we have homework 2 due the following Sunday, but then we have our first chapter challenge. Notice the chapter challenges I always set due on Thursdays, except for the week that we have a test. When we have a test, I want you to be getting ready for the test. All right. So these are the different chapters that we're covering. Now the chapter challenges are slightly different chapters. Oh, not slightly. They're different chapters covering different materials. As you'll see, you'll work on things like wave motion, and the end of the chapter challenge. Towards the end, you'll start dealing with astronomy stuff. Remember, this is a matter and energy class, so we're going to cover physics. We're covering some chemistry, and we're also covering some astronomy and just a touch of geology. All right, so again, notice the homeworks are always due on Sundays. The chapter challenges are always due on Thursdays. It's always Thursday, a minute before midnight. And once again, I know I'm repeating this, but you won't have a chapter challenge on the week of a test. For example, here we go. Here's test 1. It's scheduled for the week. It's scheduled right here, 9/21. You'll probably be able to see it 9/18, and it's not due until Sunday. Okay, so now there is a homework due on that same day. I must have got these. I messed up on the date. I'll go in and correct that. But anyhow. This homework will be due, homework 5, that is will be due on the 24th, the same day as the test. All right, and so then we go back to a normal week where we have one homework, one chapter challenge. So that's the usual thing: one homework, one chapter challenge. All right, so I got to remember to change the due date on that. Let's go back to. Oops, I'll go down here. Back to the syllabus. I need to open that. All right, so the syllabus. This side over here, this yellow part of Blackboard, is called the content area. So here's in the content area we have the syllabus and we have the schedule. Oops. Why do I have two things that say syllabus? I must have messed that up. Sorry. Let's see what this one is. Oh man. I think I mistake. Oh, hold on. Let me pause this. I'll redo it. Sorry. All right. So hopefully I corrected everything. Alright, so let's go back to the syllabus. So we do have, alright, so here's the schedule. This should be the syllabus. Let's open it up. And close this. Here's the syllabus. Sorry, I should have already opened this. Alright, so this is the syllabus. Let's close this. And alright, so this is the syllabus for sections 001 and 002. Both 100% online courses. Alright, so this is a four unit class. Basically, that one extra hour is for the chapter challenges. Okay, so here's our book that we're using. It's a little older book, but that's to keep costs down a little bit. And these are some of the goals of what we're going to, what we're looking at. The stuff I have here in yellow, this is right from the book. These are the chapters that are going to be covered under the chapter challenges. And let's see. So the other stuff is not covered under the chapter challenges. That's just the regular the classroom stuff. Of course, this is an online class, but a lot of times I teach this in the fall and in the spring, and it's not online. This semester it happens to be 100% online. So even this material will be online. I'll show you how we're going to do that in just a second. Let's see. Let's go back to the. Sorry. Oh, I guess I was let me finish talking about the syllabus. All right, so this is the material that's going to be that we're covering. Make sure you're ready. I know this says bring a calculator each class, but make sure you have a scientific calculator. Obviously, there's no class. We're not meeting. I guess I should change that. But notice there's a writing component. So there are actually 2 essays that you're going to write. They're in they're on Blackboard now. You don't have to wait till the end to do them. There's also these, written summaries, if you will, about the different chapters for the tests. You actually get to use those during the test, and I do that during regular semesters, whether it's online or not. Just to let you know, you're going to submit that written summary as a homework, as you'll see. So the 2 essays. Here's a couple of things that's important about them. Make sure that you have a works cited page at the end. You just need at least one reference or one works cited. And you have to make sure that it's 750 words, the essay itself, and